Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we got an upside down chair. And the reason why is that this thing is very old. This is actually from Amazon, and I bought this like maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6 years ago, even more. Oh, actually it is more. Maybe like 6-7 years ago actually. So it was like a 70 bucks chair. It's pretty comfortable. It's not bad at all. Obviously it's not going to be like a full-blown ergonomic chair or anything like that. But it's much more comfortable than a lot of the chairs out there that are in a budget. And I'll definitely leave the link on this below if you are interested. But we're basically making an upgrade to this instead of retiring this, because this chair is really good. So this is the original wheels that it came with. I don't even know if you can see, but it doesn't even move. It's very hard to move these things. Especially, first of all, these are all plastic wheels, and they're pretty much clogged up with hair and everything, so they're pretty garbage. And right now we're gonna upgrade them. So this is something I previously got for my other chair that I was using, and those were in the blue color. These are gray, so you have both colors available if you are interested. So basically the whole situation is, these old ones used to be here. Should have just kept one to show, but there we go. This is how it was, and you just basically pull it. Sometimes it's not going to be as easy as this, but you basically just really got to pull it, and these are very universal. I'm pretty sure this would work like almost on any office chairs out there. Very universal size. So basically there's like a little pin here that kind of holds it in place, and you basically just push it in, and that's pretty much it. So this is like I don't know if you played with those Razor scooters, but this is basically that. So it's very quiet. That's the first thing, and then it's very smooth, so you could glide around the room very easily and quietly. So definitely a must upgrade. Like, I just throw this on every chair nowadays. So even if it's like a rental place, I'd always put these on, because you don't want 2 a.m. at night, you don't want somebody upstairs rolling chairs on you and stuff. So it's very inexpensive, but it's definitely worth the upgrade, and you'll definitely feel the difference. I got a very expensive chair recently, and I put these on because no matter what they give with the chair, it's always going to be very noisy and plasticky, versus this thing is actually pretty nice. So there's no noise. It's very smooth, and it glides very easily. You have a lot of control over your movements, which you don't have on the other ones. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll leave the link of the chair and the wheels in the description for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.